What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Garage on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. And today we are at Dry 85 for their show. Usually on Friday, but today it's on Saturday. Hopefully we get out of here before the rain starts because we're about to get wet and not the good kind. All right, so you guys know how it's all done. Every day I drop a video. This is Sunday's video, so I appreciate you sticking around. We give away some Bangin Gear swag, and today is no different. So today we're going to be giving away Bangin Gear's clock. To be eligible to win the clock, you need to subscribe to Bangin Gear's Garage on YouTube, like and comment on this video, and that puts you in a running to win the clock. Once you're subscribed to Bangin Gear's on YouTube, like and comment on all the videos, and that puts you in a running to win whatever we're giving away in that video. You could win all 4 items. All right? Also, if you were registered for the show, you should have got a postcard. And then you can use a QR code, scan it with your phone, and get you hooked up to Bangin Gear's Garage on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. So, listen, I know it's going to be a crazy ride home with all the rain coming in, so drive safe. Okay? Everybody message me, let me know that you made it home safe. And we'll catch you right back here in May at Cruisin, Ocean City.